In this video, I'm going to show you a free and easy tool to apply a lens flare filter adjustment to your photos. Lens flare in real life is when light hits your camera lens and scatters across the lens. It can be a really great looking effect if you want to make artsy looking prints, and some people really like how it looks. If you want to make great looking art, but you do not own Photoshop or Affinity Photo or any other high-end software, then this is the video for you. Let's go. All right, let's jump in and have some fun with some free editing software. The company is called Color Cinch, and they were formerly known as Cartoonize. And so the website, I'm going to put a link in the video description below. I do want to point out it is an affiliate link, and what that means is that if you wind up going to this website and you really enjoy what you see, there's premium features. There's free features, but there's also premium features. And if you wind up buying the premium features, I would receive a small commission. So today I'm just going to be showing you the free tools inside of Color Cinch, and I'm going to be showing you one specific tool, and that is the lens flare option. Okay, very easy to do here. There's a little upload photo button when you go to this website. I'm just going to click it, and it's going to ask me now to upload a photo. It says select a photo to get started, and I could use one of these pre-made photos that they've already got, but I'm just going to upload my own photo here. I'm going to click the upload button. Here's my options, and so I've got, for example, an image here from Raw Pixel of an astronaut. I'm going to pick this one. It's going to show me this is a nice picture from NASA of a person doing a spacewalk. All right, and there's menus here along the left-hand side, and you can just hover over the menu and it will say what it says. So here's edit, effects, filters, overlays, masks, and so on. I'm going here to the overlays menu. I'm going to click on that, and we can see now there's different overlays. And what I'm going to select here is this thing called BOKEH, bokeh. And that's going to give me now some options here. Now there are some paid options and there's some free options. The first three are free. If I select the first one, you'll see it now instantly updates it. The second one updates it. The third one updates it. And then the fourth one, you'll see there's a little diamond next to it, and that's actually a paid option. So if you were to purchase the upgrade, you could have access to these other sort of lens flare options. So there's three great free options there. I'm just going to go back now one level, and I can see now there's also sun flare and haze. I'm going to click on that, and again I'm going to get some free options here. You can see at the top that's a really nice light flare. There's three free options as well, sun flare and haze. There's also light leaks. Light leaks is pretty cool too, and again there's three free options. The first one gives you a neat option there, lens flare coming down, and then option number 3 as well. Now again, there's other ones down here and they show you a little bit of a preview, but to access them it's a plus feature, what they call a plus feature. So that would be something that you'd have to pay for. So there's some great options here inside of Color Cinch to give yourself free easy light flare tools. And then from here, you can just save this. So let's say this is the one that I wanted. I simply go up here to the top where the save button is. I click on the save button and I can simply just save it to my computer, and it just downloads it as a JPEG file. I would type in my file name, so I'll call it lens flare. I can save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. And if I save it as a JPEG, my quality is 100. I can also make it smaller. It just changes the file size of it. You can see the file size there updating. I'm going to save this. It's 3.5 megs, and I'll click the save button. It just asks me, do I want to save it? I say yes, and now I'll select my file location. Now lens flare does more than just look good on a space photo, so I'm going to upload another photo here. I'm going to pick a person that I just picked off of a website called Pexels. You can see here she's standing in some sort of a rain or snowstorm or something, and I want to add some lens flare to this as well. So again, on the left hand side, I'll go down to overlays, I'll go into light leaks, and then from here I can now add in some sort of artistic application, and when I'm happy with that, I would then select apply. I do want to point out too, there's filters inside of this, so I'm going to select this third one, and then right there next to the heart there's actually different modes that you can take a look at, and it actually changes the way things look. So you can go through, and it's individual to each photograph, so sometimes just the normal is the one that you want, but there's all sorts of different looks that you can apply. So if I'm happy with this, I simply click apply. I'll go up to the other one here. You can see there's different modes. It's It's pretty neat. So you can make some really arty looking photographs very, very easily. You can also flip the photograph. You can rotate the photograph. You're actually rotating the effect, I mean, but the photograph, of course, would stay the same. You can flip the effect. So you can really play around with where you want the effect to go. That's a really nice feature as well. Again, there's free options, there's paid options, and if you like what you see and you want to consider paying for the paid options, click on the link in the video description below. There's the option to upgrade. And thank you very much for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. Free, easy, free. I love free. All right, have a good one. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care.